Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review is the Alpha Claymore single edge razor. Here's a look at it. Single edge meaning you only shave with one side, not the other side, as opposed to a double edge razor where you shave with both sides of the razor. The Claymore is fully machined in 316L stainless steel, and the surface is lightly shot peened to give a super velvet smooth finish that will not disappoint and will not flake or wear off. So you don't have to worry about rust with the 316L stainless steel. Some say it's overkill, but hey, never having to worry about rust, that's a big plus in a razor. Here's a look at it. It's very comfortable in the hand. You can see that it's got a wide length. It's wider than a regular double edge razor. Here's side by side, take a look. It's actually about ½ inch wider than a double edge razor. You're only shaving with one side of it, but you are covering more territory with each stroke that you take with this razor. As far as the handle, very comfortable. 3 thick bands here with 2 small bands in between. Same thing at the bottom with a smooth gap in the middle here, which makes it very easy to grip. If you prefer to hold your razor toward the top, you grip it right there and your other fingers fall into this spot right here. Very easy. If you prefer to hold your razor in the middle, it just lays perfectly right in the middle between your thumb and your forefinger right there. Very comfortable to hold on to. And it's got quite a bit of grip. It's got a good texture to it. These 3 bands here, they're knurled and it feels good in the hand. It feels very easy to grip. Even with soapy or shaving cream laden fingers, you should be able to grip this razor pretty easily. It does have the Alpha logo on the bottom, right there. The specs on this razor weighs in at 4 ounces or 114 grams. And then the overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches or 100 millimeters. This razor uses the Feather Pro Guard or professional blades. It won't use any of the other blades. So just keep that in mind. Let's disassemble. Remove the top cap, like so. And you can see there's 2 slots right there that hold the blade, and then the threaded post where it locks down, and that seats perfectly into this bottom base plate portion. So let's pop in a blade. I'll be using a Feather Professional blade. All you do is just slide forward the injector and the blade pops out like so. Here's a look at the blade. We'll insert that right over those 2 slots, like so. Just like that. Make sure they lock in there. Then just reassemble. Threaded post through the hole. Make sure that it seats down properly, like that. And then you can just screw the handle back on. Let's check that reveal. It looks flat, it looks perfect, nice and even going across there. You can also get a matching stand for the razor. It's also got the shot peened finish, so they match perfectly, and a leather case for the razor to protect it. Okay, let's perform a shave with this razor right now. I'll be using the TOBS Peppermint shaving cream. Holidays are just right around the corner. Smells great. And the Shave Nation ceramic shaving bowl right here with the lather spot down at the bottom. And the hot lava brush. Got my marble cup filled with some hot water. Here's what the brush looks like when it's dry. Let's drop it right in there. You can hear some bubbles soaking up the water. Here's what it looks like when it's saturated. Let's remove that. Pour out the water. Let's go and load up the tips in the TOBS Peppermint. Just swirl it right, left, just like that. Now we'll go directly into the bowl and generate some more lather. Just pushing down into the lather spot down at the bottom. Brings about quick lather. It's already coming up around the sides. Let's get a little bit more water. Smells wonderful. This will open up your sinuses for you. TOBS Peppermint. It's like a wintergreen lifesaver, or a peppermint lifesaver, I should say. There you go, lots of lather, plenty for several passes. Look at that, nice. Okay, let's set that down. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. Okay, I've got pretty heavy beard growth today. I think this will be an aggressive shaving razor. So let's see how it goes. Let's lather up. The TOBS Peppermint lathers very easily. Goes on nice and thick. Has a wonderful scent. Drive it right into the beard. Circular, paint, and figure 8. Smooth everything out. All right, let's set that down. What happens now? Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Here we go, the Alpha Claymore Single Edge Safety Razor. Let's give it a go. Warm it up under the hot water. Let's cut that sideburn. As I said, I think this will be kind of aggressive. We'll see how it goes. And just take it slow. Removing my heavy beard growth very easily. Lots of stubble on there, so you can't flip it. You just need to rinse it now. Tons of stubble going down the drain. All right, let's carry on. Right down the neckline. Does feel very smooth. Surprisingly smooth. Let's rinse that. Easy to grip. I just have my finger in the middle and gripping it at the top. Cut this sideburn. The angle comes naturally. Clean the cleft. Good audible feedback too. Right down the neckline. Excellent, very nice. All right, let's go under the mustache, see how this works. No problem getting right under the mustache area. The head's kind of low profile. With the angle, you can get right under there. Okay, one pass complete. No nicks, no cuts. Pretty smooth right now. But let's lather up. We'll do one more pass. We grab our bowl and our brush again. Plenty of lather here. Quick relather. Whoa, this peppermint, very cool right now. Just going on the bare skin without any beardage. Very cooling and refreshing. If you like that wake-up call, in the morning, this will definitely do it for you. Clear the runways once again. I'll leave the hands wet this time. First pass was with the grain north to south. Now I'll start at the bottom and work up. Excellent. Let's rinse that. Now across the grain. Very smooth, surprisingly smooth and comfortable. Rinse. Let's backhand it. For the backhand, just gripping right in the middle, very comfortable. Now across the grain under the mustache. This should get in there quite easily. You can see the blade goes almost to the very edge, so you should be able to get under the nose. Nice and easy. Yep. You can get right up to it. Remove those nasty hairs right under the nose. Backhand. Just kind of angle it with the tip, clean out that area, the philtrum right under the nose. Very nice. Nice and clean. Okay, let's rinse. I'm very smooth right now. Very nice. But let's see what it can do against the grain. All the way against the grain. Put it through its paces. Just a light coating this time. Okay, now we'll go against the grain on everything. Let me warm it up. Not much feedback now because everything's been removed. Just about. Let's rinse that. Let's skim. We'll ride the cap upward. Really nice. Very smooth. I even touched my earlobe right here, but nothing happened. No cuts. Oh, that's beautiful. Really nice. Let's rinse. Other side. Beautiful. Chin area. And right up into the mustache. This might be a little tricky because of the way this is shaped. Just be careful you don't go up into your nose. Stop short. Super smooth. Okay, let's do a final rinse with cold water. Let's crack the cap on our Shave Nation wide stick alum block and just glide that all around the areas where you just shaved. I'm just getting a slight bit of stinging, not much. Got a nice, cool, close shave. The stinging actually, alum's an antiseptic, so you can get a little bit of stinging. It's totally normal. It's actually refreshing. Nice finish to the shave. Close that back up. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Dry the face. Let's crack open our Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Aftershave right here. Right in the fingertips. Right there. Massage that in. Oh, nice and cool. Excellent finish to the shave right there. Alright, check it out. Final look. The cheeks, super smooth. Both sides, the neck, mustache area. Very smooth. Excellent shave provided. Here's a final look at the razor, the Alpha Claymore Single Edge Safety Razor. Excellent shaving razor. Feels great in the hand. You can see I got a baby smooth shave. 3 passes, width, across, and against the grain. No problem with this razor. Smooth, nick-free, very comfortable to shave with. The Alpha Claymore is an all stainless steel single-edged razor. The Claymore is fully machined in 316L stainless steel. Then the surface is lightly shot peened to give a super velvet smooth finish that will not disappoint and will not flake or wear off. The Claymore is easy to use. If you can use a safety razor, you can use this razor. This razor will quickly become your daily driver. The Claymore will deliver satisfying, close, and comfortable shaves. It is suitable for all beard and skin types and will help those who have issues with skin irritation. The blade is 25% wider than a standard DE blade, and therefore less passes are required for a close shave. Less passes equal less irritation. Add a matching stainless steel stand, protective leather case, and blades shown in the drop-down menu. This razor uses the Feather Artist Club Professional and ProGuard blades. Approximate specs: the weight 4 ounces or 114 grams, the length 4 inches or 100 millimeters. If you want to pick this razor up, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com. Enter Claymore, C-L-A-Y-M-O-R-E, in the search box and it will pop right up. The handle feels great. The head, the single edge, covers more territory per stroke. A big plus with this razor. You can also get the stand, the matching stand for it right there, and the black leather case to protect it. Keep in mind, only uses the Feather Professional blades and the Feather ProGuard blades. The TOBS Peppermint, as do all TOBS shaving creams, Taylor of Old Bond Street, performed very well. Very easy to lather up, excellent scent. There's 19 different scents, so you can pick whichever one appeals to you, because you're going to be the one enjoying it every morning when you shave. And the Shave Nation ceramic lather bowl, no problem mixing up a quick lather in that. Nice thick luscious lather, and then finished up by the Shave Nation wide stick alum block and Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Aftershave Balm. Good stuff. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.